Hello everyone! So this is my second CVS haul this week, August 23 to August 29 CVS deal. So I'm so happy in my haul because I got all of this item completely free, including the tax. So I did not pay any amount because the remaining extra bucks cover also the tax. So I used the extra bucks reward that I got last Sunday, August 23rd, when I did my first haul in CVS. And I used also in this deal one of the 5 of 20 shopping pass coupons that we receive, because when you get your flu shot in CVS, they're gonna give you the 5 of 20 shopping pass coupon. And there is a barcode at the back, and you can use it in the store. So they will scan it also like a normal coupon. And this is valid until October 31 of 2020. So each person will receive one shopping pass, and it's a free flu shot. So I did 3 transactions because I rolled the extra box. And the first item that I pick up is the Pantene. So the Pantene is spend 15 and you will get $5 extra bucks reward, including also the Head and Shoulders and the herbal essence. So it's 3 for 15, and I pick up the conditioning hair mist. And this one is 8.5 ounce. And this is my note for that. So it's 3 for 15, and then I use the 3 of 12 Pantene CRT. I use also the $2 of Pantene or Herbal Essence CRT. And the $5 digital coupon is attached in this Pantene. So I paid $5 and then I get back $5 extra bucks reward, making it free. So it's a nice deal for Pantene. And then I pick up the 2 Arm & Hammer. So this is 32 load and it's 50 ounce. So the Arm & Hammer is 2 for 5, and there is $1 digital coupon, and also I use my $1 August 2 Smart Sort insert and the $1 digital coupon for Arm & Hammer glitch. So I paid $3 for 2 Arm & Hammer, making it $1.50. And then I pick up again the Dawn Liquid. It's 7 ounce and it's 99 cents, and there is 25 cents digital coupon for Dawn Liquid. So I paid 74 cents for the Dawn Liquid. And then I pick up again the All Liquid. So they don't have the multi-packs, and this one is 36 ounce. And then I use $1 coupon that I got from August 23 Retail Me Not insert. So I paid $1.99 for the All Liquid. And this is my receipt for the first transaction. So everything went smoothly. And this is the coupon. So the $1 is for the Arm & Hammer, and the $1 is for the All Liquid, and the $5 is for the Pantene, and then the Arm & Hammer digital coupon glitch, and then the Dawn Liquid digital coupon, and then the 3 of 12 Pantene and the 2 of Pantene CRT. And I used $12 extra bucks in this deal because I forgot that I had $1 digital coupon for Arm& Hammer and it glitched. So, got it for free. And then I received the $5 extra bucks for spend 15 for Pantene. So this is my second transaction and I used my husband's card in this transaction. And this is my spend 40 and get $10 extra bucks reward. So I maximize the items because I had a lot of CRTs that I want to use before it expires and also the coupons. So I pick up the Garnier Fructus shampoo and also I pick up the L'Oreal. So I pair it with the conditioner also. And I pick up also the whole blend and it's camellia oil scent. So there is a conditioner also for whole blend. And then I pick up again the Old Spice. I have not tried this body wash. And I pick up the dry shampoo. And then I pick up 4 Nature Valley chewy granola bars. Last time I pick up also and we already opened it and it's almost empty the box. And then I pick up again the Tide Pods and I pick up the Free and Gentle scents. So this is my note for my spend 40 and get $10 extra bucks reward. So the L'Oreal All Vibe shampoo is 2 for 8. The Garnier Fructus shampoo and conditioner is 2 for 7. The Whole Blend shampoo and conditioner is 2 for 7. The Allspice body wash is buy one and get one 50% off. So the first Allspice is $7.29 and the other one, the 50% off is $3.65. So the two are $10.94. And then the Tide Pods 12 to 16 count is $4.94. And then the Nature Valley is on sale for $1.99. So the 4 are $7.96. And then the waterless dry shampoo is $7.99. So my subtotal for all of these items, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 14 items are $53.83. And then I used lot of CRT coupon and digital coupon. So I used one of the 5 of 20 flu shot coupon. This 5 of 20 and there's a barcode at the back. So every 5 of 20 they do have different barcode. You just need to show it to the cashier the barcode. So I used the 5 of 20 flu shot coupon and then I used the $2 off 8 breakfast CRT. And then I used the 4 of 18 any hair care CRT. I used the $4 L'Oreal Elvive coupon that I got from August 23 Retail Minot. And I used the 3 off Garnier insert. And I used also the $3 whole blend insert coupon. And I used the $2 off 2 select Garnier or whole blend instant coupon that everyone's got last Sunday. And I used the $5.49 Allspice body wash digital coupon. And I used the $2 Tide Pods digital coupon. I used $1 Nature Valley digital coupon, $1 Nature Valley August 2 insert. And I used also, I got 2 of 5 of waterless dry shampoo. The other one is $5 of new Pantene or dry shampoo that's attached also in this shampoo. But it only took $2.99 because I only grabbed one. So if I grab 2, it will both came out like $5. So it just came out for $2.99 and the other one is $5, equivalent to $7.99. The price of the waterless dry shampoo. And then I use so all my L'Oreal, Garnier, Whole Blend, and Garnier Fructus digital coupon glitch. The $2 for L'Oreal, $1 for Garnier Whole Blend, and $1 for Garnier Fructus. They all glitch. So the total coupons including the glitch are $44.48. And then I paid $9.35 and then I got back $10 extra box reward, making it free plus 65 cents moneymaker in the spend 40 and get $10 extra box reward. Yay! So I'm so happy because we got some free food for free and some shampoo. Everything is free. And then I pick up the soft soap body wash. It's gentle wash. And it's buy two and you will get $3 extra box reward. So I use the 2 of 2 soft soap body wash CRT and I use one of the soft soap printable coupon from the softsoap.com. I able to print one and it did not allow me to print another one. So I paid $7.23 and then I got back $3 extra box reward, making it $4.23 for 2 or $2.11 for each body wash. So next is the Criscope mouthwash. So it's buy one and you will get $2 extra box reward and it's a limit of 2. So I pick up 3 because I had $1 digital coupon, I have $3 digital coupon, I have $5 digital coupons that are attached in the Criscope mouthwash. So the $1 did not came out, but the $3 and the $5 digital coupon came out. So I'm so happy. So this is my note for the Criscope mouthwash. It's 1 liter. So the 3 are $11.97. And then the 5 of 3 Cris toothpaste mouthwash came out. And the $3 for 2 Criscope mouthwash also came out. And then I had 50 cents Cris mouthwash app only coupon. So I paid $3.47 and then I get back $4 extra box reward, making it free plus 53 cents moneymaker for the mouthwash. So I don't have any CRT for the mouthwash, but getting it for free, it's a big win. And then this is my receipt. So everything came out also. And here are all the coupons and CRT that I use. So the first is for Garnier, and then the Whole Blend, and then the L'Oreal, and $1 for Nature Valley, and the 75 cents is for the soft soap body wash, and the Old Spice, the $5.49, and then this is the Cris Scope, the $5, and then the $3. So the $3 is a glitch. And then the Tide, then the L'Oreal, the digital coupon, the $2, then the Garnier, the $1, and the Whole Blend, the $1, it glitch also. So overall, it's a $7 glitch. And then all my CRT. So here are the 5 of new waterless shampoo, and the other one also came out. And in here, I used $22 extra box reward in this transaction, and the $5 also for flu shot coupon. This is the CVS coupon came out. So it's 0 out of packet. It's 0. It's free. And then I got I got $4 for scope. And I got $10 for spend 40. And I got $3 for soft soap body wash. So here are the remaining of the extra bucks because I used the $4 in my third transaction. So $10 is for the spend 40 and 3 is for the body wash. And then this is the last transaction. So I pick up again the Arm & Hammer because I had remaining insert. So it's 2 for 5 and I use $1 coupon. And then I use the $4 extra bucks that I got from the mouthwash. So it's free also, and there is no tax when it comes to household. The cashier said, because I asked why I did not pay any amount including tax. The fact that I only gave her $4 extra bucks, and she said there is no tax when it comes to household, like laundry. So thank you so much guys for watching. So here are all the items that I pick up. So I got 4 Arm & Hammer. I got 1 all, 3 Pantene, 1 Dawn. I got 2 Garnier, 2 L'Oreal, 2 Whole Blend, 2 Old Spice, 1 dry shampoo, 4 Nature Valley, 1 Tide Pods, 2 Soft Soap Body Wash, 3 Crest Scope Mouthwash. So I'm so happy, and thank you so much guys, and have a blessed day.